Hi, welcome to Ayurooms TV. My name is Alleviate. I'm the founder of Ayurooms. Welcome to the monsoon season in Kerala. Today, I'm at the Manaltheeram Ayurveda beach village in Kerala. One of the advantages of Manaltheeram is not only its beautiful beachfront location, but there are three separate programs at Manaltheeram. One of them, the Rejuvenation program, gives you 2 hours of spa treatment per day. The next level up is the Slimming program, which has a dedicated session for slimming every single day. For example, Urdhvatanam, which is a very intensive powder massage for weight loss. So that particular program is 2.5 hours per day. And finally, the highest program is called the Stress Management program, which offers 3 hours of treatment per day. You don't have to take all 3 hours at one sitting. You can have two separate sittings. You can do 2 hours in the morning and 1 hour in the late afternoon or evening. So the Stress Management program has 3 hours of treatment per day. The Rejuvenation or Panchakarma program has 2 hours of treatment per day, and in the middle is a slimming program with 2.5 hours per day. They also have a spine and neck program, which is for 2.5 hours per day. The different programs available at Manaltheeram can be somewhat confusing, but if you're confused and you want the right advice as to which program to select for your needs, for your budget, for your time availability, contact me, Ali Aladina, the founder of Ayurooms, and I will advise you on what's best for you, both in terms of the resort and the particular program and line of care that you need. Thanks very much for watching.